as you can see my background, it's all different. I've set up my room in a different way. So today I'm going to show you how I did all that. I am a person who likes to have different things around me, changing things and handmade things. These are the kind of things which make me feel creative and happy while I'm working. So as this being my office room and video creating room, I wanted it to be a little different than other rooms. So this is what I have done to my room today. Let me show you how I did all that. There was a request asking to show how I set up all my things in my office. This is the room where I stay the whole day working on my fashion design projects or my YouTube videos. I thought it'll be interesting to share how I set up my whole room with you guys. That's how it looks. I wanted something on this wall, and then when you look at this side, I have full lighting coming from that window and my computer is just in front of that. I am planning to use this wall as my background, and I have some stickers, wall stickers for these walls. So let me show you what all I got. I've put my hair up and I've cleared a little things out of this room. Now let me show you what I got. I have a package which is from AliExpress. These are wall stickers. So let's open this now. Butterflies in 3 colors. Then I have some triangles in gold color. I have these photo frame kind of stickers. Black color triangles. Hey, these are cute. I have these ants. These I thought of doing, keeping them on my window because I have this view. This side I have the window all the time. So that's my view. I wanted to have nice things on the window happening. Let's see where I want to keep these. Here there are instructions. Let me just go through these. All these stickers are for the wall because that wall looks completely empty, which I am always not happy with. I can arrange them the way I want. I have to see and plan how I want to keep those things on the wall. I just don't want to do randomly. So let's look into that now. Wall looks that way. I have these boards which I made many years ago. These are the wrapping papers which I covered with a window of a sheet, and back side I have a cardboard kind of sheet, thin one. So I made these in different shapes. So I'm going to use these in between those so that I'll add some color to the wall. Did you guys like the background? And did you get inspired from from these. These are totally doable by anyone. As you have seen in the video, I have done everything by myself. And it's easy, it's really easy, and it adds so much color and so much character to the room. You can have different kind of these. I like black, white and red combination and a little tinges of yellow. So those are what you can see there. Have fun creating all these things. I'll leave the links for these wall stickers in the description box. I bought them in AliExpress. So you can buy many varieties of these and start sticking them on the walls. If you have any questions about all these which I've done today, start asking questions in the comments below. I will answer them all. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new and watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel and activate that bell icon for more creative ideas, tips, fashion tips and many more things on my channel. Until next time, bye!